So we got this from eBay, Osram D1S HID bulb, 2 for $69. It's a great deal if it's real, but as we'll show you, we open it up. It's got shiny metallic base. The real one doesn't really have shininess, just like this one. It's a little bit matte metal color. So we're gonna open up the bottom, and it says top on it. It has writings on it. None of the real ones have it, as you'll see later on. So we'll open up the bottom, and it's got some kind of a glue, white. I think it's some kind of silicone glue. None of the HID bulbs, Philips or Osrams, use this type of material to put the bulbs together. So this is from Autozone. They carry Sylvania, which is part of Osram Sylvania North America. The packaging has Sylvania logo in it, or writings, but when you open it up, it's got Osram bulbs in it. I think they just put Osram bulb from Germany and then just put them into the Sylvania packaging. As you can see, it's not as shiny as the fake one. And it's one thing to sell a fake bulbs, but it's actually really dangerous to sell a fake HID bulb, just because it could blow up or burn the headlight housing. It's pretty dangerous. So we're going to open up the bottom. So that's what the real one looks like. Doesn't have a black filling. It has a clear material. This is a 7-digit code. Osram so you put them into osram.com/trust and put the 7-digit code, and the number will come out, and it should match the number on the bottom of the bulb. So we're gonna open this one up, and as you'll see, this will look just like the Sylvania. Okay, no writing on the bottom. There's a QR code with the number. You'll see later on, it's a different color than the fake one. So there you go. It looks just like Osram Sylvania. So this one is called, we call it industrial packaging. It's basically mostly purchased by like car manufacturers when they're assembling their cars in their factories. We get it in bulk, so we get it for a lot cheaper than the 7 code, but doesn't have a 7 code, trust code, just like the one on the left. So there you go. Open it up. Once again, just like the other two, like Autozone or the Osram with the 7 code. So that's the obviously fake one. Autozone, Sylvania, Osram. Osram with 7-digit code. And finally, Osram without 7-digit code. Okay, so now we're going to put it side by side and show you the little detail differences. That's the fake one. It's an obvious fake. And this is the real deal. Put them on the side, and even the actual construction of the black base is completely different. The other 3 uniform. It's just because they're real. And the tip, obviously, it's not as straight as the other ones. I mean, these little details only the real thing could, construct. So we'll show you at the top. It's closed plastic hole, whereas the other ones are open holes. So the real one's got open holes. And the QR code and the writing, the color for the real ones are brownish, whereas the fake one, they chose to use bluish color. I mean, fakes are getting better, but these little details, only the real things can do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you could give us a call or email us at info@hidconcept.com. Thanks.